y'all, I'm Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. I'm going to be doing a plan with me. I haven't done one in quite a while. I use the Happy Planner. Been using that for a couple of years now, I guess. And I'm going to be using several different products probably. I've got a couple of different the Happy Planner sticker books that I may get some stickers out of. I've even got this Erin Condren that was a gift to me, that I may pick out some of these quotes and some washi strips. I don't know if I'll use those yet. And then these Happy Planner stickers from here, out of the box. And oh, I almost forgot, I may even use some of these stamps that I won from an Etsy giveaway. These are Picket Fence Studios stamps. I've used these before. It's been a little while. Let's see. So I think that's it besides just normal supplies. So this is going to be, and this is my Happy Planner that I've been using here this year. Let's see. It's gotten really thick. I even had to switch to the really big rings, which I'm not real crazy about. But I ended up having so much stuff put in this because I carry everything in it. Let's see, where am I? This is going to be the week of the 12th through the 18th. Okay. So I'm just going to pull these pages out. Set this aside somewhere. I know I have a doctor's appointment this week, so I'll have to make sure, plan my week around that. Look at my monthly again and see. Yeah, that's on a Friday. But I didn't even write down the time. I know I've got it somewhere. That doesn't have anything because I'm not going to be using, well, I might be using some of the inks actually from Stampin' Up. Who knows, since I'm going to be doing some stamping in here. And I have some thin washi that I might be using also. I will most likely be speeding this up so it won't take so long, and adding some music to it. I went ahead and stamped out a bunch of things that I wanted to use, so you wouldn't have to sit there and watch me do that, and cut them out, because I like to kind of make my own stickers. So these are what I'm kind of going with. Well, I've got 2 of those, and I usually just go ahead and do a whole bunch at one time, and that way I see what I like the best, and then I've got extras for another time. So yeah, I've got a whole bunch here that I've got left over. And I just used my stamping pads from Stampin' Up, and then some markers to color these little images in, and then markers to trace out these pop a little better. Okay, so I think this is turning out to be a coffee themed planner spread. It looks like. So that's what I'm gonna kind of go with. So I did find some coffee, looks like some coffee washi I think I'll end up using. So I think that's what we're gonna end up going with here. I'm finished, and I wanted to move my mat so you could see better without the distraction of the grid paper behind it. So this is, there's a hair there. This is my plan for this week. And I mostly made my own little stickers, as you can see. That's what I call them when I stamp out. And I just use a glue stick and put them on myself. Some I colored, and then some I have little cutouts and I glue them on and do my little drawings or doodles or whatever, and stick them on. And then there was a few of the Happy Planner stickers that I did add on here. These are some Happy Planner stickers from the box, the Me and My Big Ideas. I think it was this one. And these are some of the little itty bitty ones from the mini. So, and then these were just some little cutouts. And same with that. So that's about it. And then of course you saw me do the washi. And that was, well, no, my inspiration really came from, like I said, the picket fence coffee. That's what got me started. This was my inspiration. And I used a couple of the girls from this and a few of the little sayings. So that's about it. And then of course I'll fill it in as I go. So like I said, I do need to go ahead and put in my doctor's appointment so that I'll remember that. So I hope you enjoyed watching me. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more of these, and I'll try to remember to start doing more. I try to, if y'all would like to see these and I get enough response about them, I'll try to use some of my Stampin' Up! Products, like from the paper pumpkin kits, because I've done that before in the past, but I haven't heard, I haven't gotten a lot of response on those. But if I start getting some response, I'll start doing some more of these. So y'all remember to please give me a thumbs up and comment, and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. So thank you for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. See you again soon, and remember to stick around to the end to see more videos.